In this example, we've been given the total surface area of the object, of the cylinder, and we want to find the height of the cylinder. And we're given the radius of this cylinder. So given the fact that we have the radius, we can actually calculate the surface of the circles, the top circle and the bottom circle. So I'm going to do that first. I'm going to do pi r squared, so the circle area is going to be pi r squared, and so that gives me 49 pi. Okay, and I have top and bottom, so the two circles is going to be equal to, I'm going to double that, so 98 pi centimeters squared is going to be the top and bottom. So that means I've accounted for, if I draw my net here, I've accounted for these two parts. And if I've accounted for those two parts, I can subtract from the original 266 pi, and I'm going to get 168 pi centimeters squared, and that would represent the rectangular surface here. So I'm just going to draw my rectangular surface in red. So this rectangular surface is then going to be represented by 168 pi. And what I'm trying to find is, I'm trying to find the height of this. Now if I know the area and a length, I can divide to find height. And based on my formula, this length here along this edge, that is the circumference of the circle. That is the same as this distance around the circle, which in this case would be 2 pi r. Okay, and r is 7 centimeters. So this works out to be 14 pi centimeters as my width. So since area times, and I can write it like this, 168, I'm going to write it this way. So my length times height, so there's my length, is equal to 168 pi, which is my area. So in other words, that means that 168 pi divided by 14 pi is going to be equal to my height. So if I do area divided by, I'm just going to write that down, area divided by my width gives me the height. And this height works out to be 12 centimeters. Okay, so there's the height of this particular cylinder. It works out to be exactly 12 centimeters.